Have you ever wondered what the difference is between like high ticket affiliate marketing and regular affiliate marketing? Well, in this video, I'm actually going to walk you through some very simple math so that when you get the opportunity to become an affiliate marketer for whatever program or product or software tool or anything else that you have, you'll have some idea on how to determine whether or not it's a good case. What's up, sales attender Sean here, back at you with another high ticket tune-up. I'm so excited to be here with you today because I got an awesome question that came in from Pauline. Pauline asked this. She said, Sean, how does high ticket affiliate marketing work? Man, what a great question. I started my career in the online space with high ticket affiliate marketing. So I have a little bit to say about this. I have some pretty developed thought, and this is going to be really powerful for you because I'm going to walk you through a very simple example of how to determine what high ticket versus not high ticket is and what's going to be the most impactful thing for you if you decide that you want to learn and play in the affiliate marketing game. Now, if you're selling in the online space and you're a coach or you're a consultant or you're a sales pro, even a business owner, anything like that, there's going to be opportunities all the time for you to make one of the tools inside of your business become an affiliate marketing tool. What do I mean? Well, let's say you're using a CRM or you're using some sort of an autoresponder or you're using some sort of other software tool, because we all use software as a service. Everybody does, no matter what. If you play on social media and you're building business on it, it's important to know that majority of those software tools can actually become an affiliate marketing opportunity. This becomes exciting because now we know that our main source of income is selling your product or service, which is a great thing. And once you have the systems in place to run those things, that's great. You can stay there and you can make that kind of money and crush it with your main offer. But everybody always talks about, hey, how do you have these other forms of income? Where do you get the multiple streams of income? You got to have more than one. Well, I never understood that until I started to zoom out and look at a bigger picture and understand that, oh, okay, well, I'm a sales guy, right? So I'm going to sell sales services and products and things related to sales. But then what I found out was I started using all these software tools and I thought, oh my gosh, look, if I got some of my members of my sales stuff involved with one of these affiliate products, like a software or something, I could actually make some income recurring without doing much work. And so I don't know if I have to sell you super hard on the idea of affiliate marketing. What I do want to go into is the difference between low ticket and high ticket, so you have some sort of an idea. A lot of companies out there will say, we pay 20% affiliate commissions, 30% affiliate commissions, 40. Sometimes I've even seen up to 50% affiliate commissions. And some people, like Russell Brunson, one of my coaches, he was crazy enough to do 100% affiliate commission for one of the promotions that he launched. Very rare, but a great shiny object and a good opportunity to make some cash flow. So let's dive into it. I wanted to share really quick. So I'm just going to pull this question off and we'll dive in, and I'm going to walk through some of the things that I think or just actually one simple thing that I think is very, very valuable for you to understand. So how does high ticket affiliate marketing work? Well, we got to do some examples. I like marketing math. This is super simple. Let's say you're sitting there like, what am I going to do? How can I make an additional $10,000 a month? Maybe you get $10,000 a month. You've never made $10,000 a month, but you want to make $10,000 a month through affiliate marketing. Well, here's the example that's going to show you exactly how to think about processing which high affiliate marketing offer it is that you would like to promote. Let's say one person says, hey, I've got this sneaker line, this clothing line of shoes that's really, really popular. It's going off the chains. A lot of people are into selling shoes. That's cool. We have a set of $200 sneakers and we're 40% commission. Oh man, that's awesome. So the first thing we do is we say $200 price point, 40% commission. My commission for each sale would be $80. Perfect. I'm down to make $80, maybe a day, a week, whatever it's going to happen. But I want to make $10,000 a month. If I'm just going to go sell sneakers, what does that look like to me? Well, very simply, we just do some math. $10,000 a month is our goal, divided by the amount of commission per deal. And that equals 125 pairs of sneakers needing to be sold every 30 days for you to consistently earn $10,000 a month. Now, Selling 125 pairs of shoes every single month, kind of a tough thing, isn't it? And this is where people say, well, we pay 40%, they only pay 20, our shoes are the best, blah, 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 blah. Well, the fact is, if you're trying to leverage other people's effort, energy, product, service, and everything, we want to look at what are we going to get paid, right? So if we're doing the affiliate marketing, what's the number we get paid? Here's the example. It's going to take a lot to sell 125 pairs of sneakers every single month. That's practically 3 per day, right? 3 times 30 is not, it's actually more than that, right? So it's like 3 to 5 pairs of sneakers every single day would have to be sold. So in order for you to do that, what would you need to do? Let's walk through it mentally. You're going to have some sort of a funneling system. Hopefully the sneaker company has that for you that you can plug into and move forward with. You're going to have some sort of a way to drive a lot of eyeballs, like way more than just 125. Because if that's like the 10% sales that you get, this means every single month, you're going to have about 1,500 people new that have never seen the offer before look at it. So if you have a way to figure out how to get 1,500 sets of eyeballs to look at this, man, this might make a lot of sense for you. But again, that's going to have to be done over and over and over. So maybe you could use paid ads, maybe you could use something else. But again, now you're having other costs, and that's going to deduct from the $10,000 that you want to make. So this is why low ticket affiliate marketing can be enticing, because it's like, oh, big commission. I can make a big commission. I don't care what the ticket price is. However, the secret's going to be is what is the commission versus the ticket price? Because if you can know those two numbers, you can do some simple marketing math, which I'm showing you here. And let's look at the high ticket example, because I think this will give you some clarity on how much different it is, how high ticket affiliate marketing actually works. Let's say now there's a software product that you're using and it costs $3,000 every single year for that person to use that software license. Maybe it does something like, autoresponder, email sequences, or something like that. Like there's a lot of different softwares out there that are out there, and they cost around that number. So $3,000 a month, that's that's about 200 and like $60 a month or something like that. Or you can buy $3,000 a year. So say they say, oh, it's $3,000 a year, we pay 25% commission. Well, you could be like, oh man, well, it's not 40%, I'm out. Or you could say, well, let me run the numbers. 3,000 at 25% commission every time somebody invests in a software license, which reoccurs, not like sneakers, right? You can use a pair of sneakers for 5 years. This is something that recurs. It is how it gets. Those are two things you just got to keep in your mind. Now we look at, we want to make $10,000 a month. What do we got to do? $10,000 per month divided by each time I sell one of these things is $750 in commission. Every month, I only need to sell 14 licenses max. It's like 13.3 actually. But the secret is, oh my gosh, there's 30 days in a month approximately. That means I just have to sell one of these things every other day, which makes it way more manageable, way more realistic, way more easy for you to achieve $10,000 per month. And then this is really interesting because now you don't have to get 1,500 sets of eyeballs on some sort of an auto funnel because it's too many people to talk to in a month. You just have to have between 14 and 30 conversations every single month. That's like talking to one person a day, sharing what this system does and how it works. If it was a software tool that you were selling, and you can now make $750 every single time you sell one of those. Like, to me, this is why high ticket affiliate marketing is so much more powerful than any other type of affiliate marketing. And when you can hook in with like a recurring commission, what I mean, well, for example, we have our own software that is around $3,000. We do pay 25% commissions. So every time somebody invests in that software through somebody else's efforts, they make $750, but every year that license renews. And so when that license renews, guess what? You make an additional $750 without doing anything. That's the secret. That's amazing. That's where we get into software as a service becomes really interesting to be an affiliate marketer for. And that's why there's a lot of programs that have these, because when you understand the power of this, you can actually move forward at a very progressive rate. And the time you spend doing this will compound 100%. And so the question becomes, which do you prefer? Because if you were to try to, maybe you love shoes so much and 125 pairs in a month is something that you feel like you could do every single month repetitively on and on and on and on and on. Good. Go do it. I think that's awesome. However, if you're like most people and your time is restricted, but you need the income and you need to move faster and you want to see a bigger result, finding something that's higher ticket to affiliate market is going to be really valuable. Here's something else to think about. If you're just getting started in the affiliate marketing game, high ticket affiliate products are going to serve you at such a higher level. Let's say you're going to do Facebook paid ads or something like that. If you're going to do paid ads, guess what? You only have, if you're selling the sneakers, you can only, like $80 is your commission. Well, you don't want to spend more than $80 to acquire a buyer because then you're losing money. Whereas if you're doing the high ticket thing, you can actually spend up to $750 to acquire a buyer for the high ticket thing through marketing. So you have a lot of leeway between $80 to $750. Like, that's, as a new person coming into the game, if that's who you are, like, man, you can afford to mess up on your ads. You can afford to spend a little bit more money on your ads because all you need it to do is to spend less than $750. Somebody's going to invest with you, and then boom, you've made the $750. You are now profitable in a business, and that can be scalable forever. If you're selling sneakers and you find out that, oh my gosh, it takes my time, energy, money, effort, everything else, investment is going to take over $80 to sell one pair of sneakers, you're now negative. And so there's a big room for leeway, for a gap, for a way for you to actually like have some grace. And so this again is how high ticket affiliate marketing works. I hope this was reasonable and valuable for you. I know a lot of people look at this and they always ask about this kind of stuff, but the answer should be fairly straightforward and simple. I would encourage you to find products that cost $2,500 and more if you are going to move into the affiliate marketing game, because when you do, you're going to win. With that said, you've just been tuned up. I can't wait to see you next time. I love your face, and we'll talk to you later. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit those comments, turn the notifications on, and let me know, which do you prefer? Like, is this something that's even real for you? I mean, if you want to be an affiliate marketer, let's talk. I think I can help. That said, I'll see you next time.